money! Now! Been a while, Stark.
Too long, pal. Let's go outside and catch up.
Nah, I'm not the catching up type.
Gotta conserve power better.
Yeah, you better.
You know, I didn't recognize you with that Ultron pulling your leash.
I'm my own man.
A dumb one. Increase power to resistance.
What? What's saving you from my punches?
I've made some improvements to the suit for guys tougher than you.
No one's tougher than me! You wanna tell me I'm not tough again?
What if I do instead?
Clint? But you left the Avengers.
I was just going to the bank, man. I'm retired.
Yeah, some retirement.
Sorry I'm late.
Wow.
I'll get out and get my payback!
Yeah, sure, pal.
Well, that was fun. I'm gonna go order some checks.
Mr. Stark, don't worry. I'm back.
Great, but what am I gonna tell Aunt May this time?
Automated Iron Man suit gone rogue?
Nah, I used that last time.
Bye, everyone.
Obey my will.